Okay. Hello, Courtney Sykes here from Southeastern Aesthetics Institute. I wanted to hop on here and really share some of my thoughts a little bit, give you a little bit of industry background for those of you that are interested in a couple of our programs. Just wanted to give you something to think about here as you're planning your career trajectory. Of course, we are Southeastern Aesthetics Institute. You see the website. I'm going to show you a couple of things here in just a moment. But we are definitely known for our aesthetics training. I have been teaching aesthetics since 2012. So at this point, it's been quite a long time, right? It's 2024 now. We're about, honestly, a little more than halfway through the year. So you might even be watching this going into 2025. Who knows, right? But we've always taught this amazing aesthetics curriculum. We've done it honestly different than anybody else. I think every educator is fantastic, of course, every institution, but we've done it a different way. And I'm very proud of our students and our graduates. And I couldn't be more just totally proud of our entire team for what we accomplish on a daily basis. I'm actually on my little lunch break right now filming this because I wanted to share how excited I am about just this thought I wanted to kind of bestow upon you. But we're in the middle of a busy day. We're very busy around here. We have students coming and going at all times, and it's a lot of fun. So for those of you that have been a part of our aesthetics program, congratulations. I know you've had a wonderful time. We hear your amazing reviews, and we're here for you all the time. Your journey never stops, right? Never stops when you're finished. We're always here for you afterwards. All of our alumni, no matter what program, do receive 2 free services a month in our elite spa, which is fabulous, as well as amazing alumni support. This phone right here, which is mine, it goes off at all times. Remember, I wake up at 4:30 every day. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. If you text me after 8 o'clock, I'm up and ready to answer your questions at 4:30 in the morning every single day. And our whole alumni team is here to help you. But y'all know I'm here to help you with building your business and anything else you need, of course, getting jobs, all those things. So we have new programs this year, and we started some of these last year, but I just wanted to showcase a couple of thoughts for you for those that want to get into medical aesthetics specifically because of some of the rules and regulations. Just want to make sure you're covered in all areas so you can have your license in aesthetics, but then have these national certifications, which are fabulous too, which really sets you apart. So if you hover over Attend SEEI and click on Courses and Programs, you're going to see all of our programs and courses listed. You can see them all in descending order here. To the right. So you can find everything we offer, which is a ton. We offer CEU classes, certification courses, massage therapy, cosmetology, all the things, right? But if you want just a quick little something, look over here to the left. And right now we're going to click on clinical medical assistant because I just had the most wonderful time teaching a little math assignment, little accounting assignment to them, as well as my advanced students. And if you know anything that we're doing right now, we'll talk about advanced in just a minute. We are combining our CMA students with our advanced aesthetic students and offering PRP microneedling alongside our medical team. And we do have an on-site physician and nurse practitioner here that do our good faith exams for these amazing procedures. But here's the thing. Remember that clinical medical assistants are required to work alongside medical personnel. So CMAs are probably one of the number one types of positions in medicine that I find that medical personnel want to hire because CMAs can do so many things. And I'll talk to you about what we offer, of course, here in just a minute. But y'all can do so many things as certified clinical medical assistants in the medical setting, not just medical aesthetics, but medicine in general, and work alongside nurse practitioners, PAs, and medical doctors to really accomplish whatever goal it is for that practice, which is amazing. So I always say, if you're really interested in medical in and of itself, come to our clinical medical assistant program. I think what I notice now is a lot of CMAs are kind of seeing the medical aesthetics side of things. And so, of course, I recommend if you've not done our aesthetics program, Come and take it. Come take the aesthetics program. Our CMA program is 600 hours. Our aesthetics program is 600 hours. So it's very, very minimal amount of time, only 20 weeks to obtain these amazing credentials and then test, get your license, get your certification, which whenever it is, and will help you towards your goals. It just makes you more employable. Okay, so there's that. I'll always say too, for our licensed estheticians that have gone through, come and take our CMA program, because truly the way the rules are written in South Carolina is that CMAs are the ones that can be delegated to, right? That can be delegated to in our state, in South Carolina. So if a nurse practitioner is delegating the practice of medicine, they might delegate something out to a CMA to perform certain tasks. Of course, there is a list of performed tasks that they can do, as well as a PA delegating to a CMA or a physician delegating to a CMA, all that good stuff. So we want to make sure you'll understand those kind of hierarchies and that supervision, which is important. But estheticians, come and take your CMA, and that way you are employable as both an esthetician and a medical assistant. Okay, so you could work in dermatology, plastic surgery, you could work in many aspects of medicine or medical aesthetics, and you will have the right credentials, which I think is fantastic. So if you know you don't want to go the nursing route, the 4-year college degree route, and you want something a little bit shorter that gives you that employability factor, works for your family. And as y'all know too, we have a DSS certified childcare center here. So if you're a mom, if you're a busy mom, come and bring your kiddos, enroll them in our, childcare center. We would love to have them. And that way you can be here on site learning in a short-term program that gives you long-term gain and not have to worry about the kiddos. So we totally understand that. But let's look here at the course description. So when it comes to the clinical medical assistant program, totally click on this video to the top right. This is where I actually filmed everything from our syllabus. So that one is very comprehensive and goes over everything you will learn every single day and every single week. So remember, you're going to be on site for 15 weeks with us, and then you're going to be off site at externship opportunities for 5 weeks, which is fabulous. Then the main things that you're going to learn, other than all the wonderful things that I go through in this little video to the right, is phlebotomy. You're going to master the art of the blood draw, which is key to everything in blood drawing, medical aesthetics. We can do the PRP injections, of course, working in medicine. Drawing blood is essential to really support the medical office and the staff in what their goals are and really assisting in patient care, which is key. Then we are really excited about EKG education. So this one is included in the CMA program. So you're going to learn how to perform and interpret electrocardiograms to monitor heart health and detect abnormalities, which is so important and very key to the medical facility and making sure the goals are met for those patients, right? We want to give optimal patient care at all times. And then medical billing and coding. Oh man, we could have done an individual class on medical billing and coding. We could have done an individual class on phlebotomy, but I really think it kind of cuts you short. If you just do those, why not do the full 600 hours and do it all together, get your CMA national certification through National Healthcare Association. So we actually do everything through NHA. And they are our partners. You actually get an online subscription, and we go through those modules with you while you're a student here. You actually have your own computer lab, by the way, the CMA students do, which is incredible. But medical billing and coding, you acquire the expertise to manage patient records, process insurance claims, and ensure seamless medical billing operations. So that is so important to any practice, no matter who you're working for, right? And then these are our start dates for the year, which is fabulous. We would love to have you for any of those. But like I said, I mean, this one pairs so well with your aesthetics license and vice versa. So if you've been kind of thinking, should I do CMA as an esthetician? The answer is absolutely yes, you should do it, right? And then if you're a CMA and you're thinking, man, I want a state license in something, because remember, CMA is a national certification. I always say anchor yourselves in a state license first, and then add on your certifications to that. It really gives you a more credentialed situation. So we love that. Make sure you have that state license and then add these certifications to it. Okay. Another certification is our nationally accredited Advanced Aesthetics Academy. So this is kind of that moment where I'm telling you, really, if you can do all three of these, that is the optimal thing for those of you really wanting to get into medical aesthetics specifically. If you're thinking, I want to do aesthetics and just do makeup and lashes and waxing, just do aesthetics, right? Just do aesthetics all day. But if you're thinking, I want to go more that advanced route, I would do all three of these programs. So you could really knock that out 600 hours, and this one's 300 hours. You could be done within a year with all three of these programs. So easy. Another thing, too, is we just chatted this morning, our admissions team is ready to make sure that you all gain a little bit of a scholarship opportunity for those of you that choose to do multiple programs with us here at Southeastern Aesthetics Institute. So I would love to see you. But this one's fun. It's a 13-week class. And if you know, and you've seen us in action, we've been doing this one for a number of years now. This one is only 3 days a week. So I like that about the Advanced Aesthetics Academy. You can knock this one out in 13 weeks, 300 clock hours, 3 days a week, and it's a lot of fun. So you actually have 2 days of clinical and then one theory day where we kind of dive really deep into everything. You have your academics you go through, tests, of course, but then we do these amazing slowed down demonstrations. So 2 days of fast-paced clinics with clients alongside our physician and alongside our nurse practitioner. They do our good faith exams, like I mentioned, as well as your curriculum, which is incredible. So this is that page. If you're interested, definitely check out the course curriculum to the left here, as well as your clinical labs that you're going to be learning, which is fantastic. And, the one thing that I love teaching all these things, but I personally will be teaching you the micropigmentation. We do this on Tuesdays, every single Tuesday. So you will not perform on a client if I'm not there right alongside you. So I'm going to always start your client. I'm always going to finish your client. And it's just super fun. We have a ton of fun. And so, to finish this out, I will say we have nurses that come into this program. That is a prerequisite that we do accept. Absolutely fine. But I always say to my RNs, if you're looking to do lash extensions or looking to do waxing and facials and all that, take the aesthetics program. So sometimes we have RNs that come into advanced, take that, they're done with it after 13 weeks, and then go and take our aesthetics program. It really rounds off your education. So I will say, as a recap on this, we mentioned if you're interested in the Certified Clinical Medical Assistant program, take it. Take it here with us. It's only 600 clock hours. I would also suggest taking your aesthetics license program here. Of course, 600 hours, a lot of fun. We have a ton of fun with that. And then also taking the Advanced Aesthetics Academy program, all three to pass go. Okay. So aesthetics, CMA, and advanced aesthetics. Love that. And then if you're a registered nurse, take our Advanced Aesthetics Academy. You will love that. Nurse practitioners, take our Advanced Aesthetics Academy. You will love that. It adds another level of advanced treatments to your arsenal and has you look at things from a different perspective, where you won't learn this stuff in a clinical setting anywhere. And this is a nationally accredited program, which is very unique. I really don't think anybody else on the East Coast has this as an accredited program. So please come and join us on this one. And then again, for our registered nurses and nurse practitioners, come take advanced, but also think about taking our aesthetics program too. I definitely think it makes you more well-rounded. Education is so important, I will say. I love to continue learning myself. I think that the future is really in short-term programs that assist people to get to the level where they want to in a shorter amount of time. And that's what we specialize in at Southeastern Aesthetics Institute. It really gives you that fun culture of a fun vibe here. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of amazing students. I see smiles every single day. We have a staff here ready to support you, and we're here to support you forever too. And the last thing I'll mention, amongst many things I could mention, we also have a licensed therapist on site that is available to you guys while you're in school the entire time, as well as 6 months post-graduation and indefinitely for our veterans. If you're a veteran, we do offer veterans funding for all of our programs, which is a wonderful thing that we do provide. But anything y'all need, don't hesitate to reach out. Let me know. My personal cell phone number, my name is Courtney Sykes. My cell phone number is 803-629-0658. Consider joining us. We would love, love, love to see you. Okay. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.